Here is an epic traffic source that you can use for free to drive targeted visitors to your website. So let me run you through the stats so you can decide for yourself if this is the right platform for you. So let's go to SimilarWeb and I'll walk you through everything now. The global rank is 33,000. It's really high. The country rank is 11,000, almost 12. If we go down to traffic overview, we can see that it gets almost, or just under 2 million visits a month. Then we can see that it is consistently getting over 1 million visits a month, consistently almost 2 million. If we go down to traffic by countries, there it is 44% from the United States. Such profitable traffic from this source. 7% India, 4% Canada, 3% UK, and then 3% Philippines. If we go down to traffic sources, 27% is direct, 2% from referrals, 48% from search. So that means you're going to get organic traffic when you get featured and published on this platform. 20% from social, so it's got a good viral aspect to it. Chances are that anything you post on this platform, well, it's got a pretty good chance of being shared across social media, which is going to get even more organic traffic to you. So let's go down, check out that search traffic. We have got 99.9% organic, 0.1% paid. That's pretty good. If we go down to social traffic, 20% social. That's really smart. That's really good for you. So 74% from Pinterest. So that tells us if you want to increase your chances of getting social traffic from this platform, use images. It's going to be an image heavy site. Then 14% from Facebook, 3% from YouTube. Interestingly, 3% from 4chan. We don't really see 4chan on these charts. And then 2% from Squidoo. Anyway, let's go check out the platform. It is hubpages.com. And it says, Hubpages Network. Hubpages is a network of sites where people write about their passions. So that tells you that it's going to get targeted traffic for you. So if you write about your passion on this platform, the people who consume that content are going to be interested too. So if you put links to your website in the content you publish here, guess what? You're going to get targeted traffic for free. So let me show you around the website so you can use it properly. So on the left hand side we have this More tab. Click that. Here you will see all the different sections available. Consider these niches. So in these sections you're going to have relevant content that will help people to solve problems. And as you probably know by now, the best way to engage an audience and monetize an audience is to help them to solve a problem. So this is a very good place to do that kind of marketing. So let's say we are in the health industry. If we click on that, here you're going to have subtopics so you can drill down to the niche level and get laser targeted traffic when you use this platform. Here you're going to have different sections, different articles that are available, so you can see that because it's such a high traffic website and so many people contributing content on here, you can actually see how long ago these articles were published, and you can also see the number of comments there, so people are engaging with the content. So that's a really good sign for you. Here you can see that this one was published 20 hours ago, 2 days ago. This one 89 minutes ago. That's very fast. This one was published 2 months ago, but it's got 20 comments. So that tells you that if you publish high quality content on this platform and you have people engaging with that content, well, your piece of content is going to hang around. The website is going to reward you for that, and it's going to reward you with exposure, which is going to get you more traffic. So bear that in mind. So we can spend all day, literally all day, going through this website. Look at this. This one was published 4 years ago. Imagine that. Imagine publishing a piece of content today or tomorrow, and that still produces traffic for you 4 years down the road. That's a good investment of your time, in my opinion. So you can drill down into the niche level. We've got other sections here at the top. So let's have a look at business. Same thing again. We have sub niches there. So we can drill down into sales and marketing, for example. Then we can even go further into, say, internet marketing. We can drill down further into social media optimization. And there you can see you will get laser targeted traffic for free when you use this. And look at this, how to create a hashtag, published 10 months ago, and it has 24 comments. Let's click on that. So I'm going to predict that there is probably some backlinks in here. There you go. So here we have backlinks pointing to, I presume, the author's website. And if you notice, what is a hashtag? It's anchor text. So that's valuable. That's really good for search engine optimization. So what you could do is whatever keywords you're targeting, you could just use those keywords as your link text. And then that tells Google that it should rank you for these terms. It certainly helps improve the process anyway. So let me show you something else. If we right click on that and go to inspect element, scroll down here to the code, there you can see that this is a do follow link. So that's even more valuable for your search engine optimization. So that's one of the reasons why I'm recommending this platform today, because in terms of traffic, it's amazing. In terms of backlinks, it's going to really help you, and it's going to help your SEO too. So if you scroll down, there you can see that underneath the article, there we have comments, and these look to be valuable comments, and the author is engaging with the audience too. She's responding to comments, so that's a good thing for you to do when you use this platform. So that's a quick overview. How do you actually use it? How do you get traffic from it? It's really, really simple. So here we can click sign in or join. If you click join, you can sign up with the Facebook integration thingy. Makes it really quick and easy. I've already got a couple of accounts on this platform, so I'm going to sign into one of those now. And straight away, we'll notice that I am receiving a feed of content that is relevant to me. So in a sense, I could use this as part of my content curation strategy if I wanted to. Or I could manage my articles, I could publish content on here, which is something I'm going to assume that's really what you want to do. So here at the top right hand side, we have my account. So if I click there, it brings out this navigation bar there, so I can go to my account, notifications, earnings, profile, stuff like that. Or I can click right, and here it's going to take me to a page where I can now publish content on this platform. So title, I can give it a permalink. So permalink should contain keywords. So think about the title, think about the keywords you're going to target, because this will rank in Google. We've already seen how much traffic this platform gets from the search engines. So we're going to take advantage of that. Think about the keywords you want to rank for. So add them in there. Then you can choose the topic and choose, let's say, business. Let's go with business and employment for the section for the moment. And then we can choose a subsection there. We can drill down into advertising, let's say marketing and sales. I'll go with that. Then we can drill down into the niche level, which is going to be internet marketing. And then I can choose email marketing, pay-per-click, social media optimization. I'm big into email marketing. I'll click that. So you can see how easy it is to use. It says, it actually gives you tips on how to use it there if you want to check out that handy little guide there. And then starting layout, so you can choose basic, tutorial, copy from another article. I'm just going to call this test because I just want to get, test. I'm going to call it some random numbers there just for demo purposes. Then let's do the annoying capture thing to prove we're not a robot. Click continue. And now we can edit the information that we've just added, or we can go ahead, write a bio. So a little tip for your bio, always include a call to action. So people who get down that far or actually take the time to read your bio, you want them to do something else. So it could be to subscribe to your email list, for example, or follow you on social media. It has to be some action for them to take. Then if you scroll down here, you can add in capsule subtitle, and it tells you before you begin writing, decide what is most important to your reader. Articles should answer the question of their title at the very beginning, preferably in the first capsule text. Then go through this. It's going to give you lots of handy tips there. There's a basic guide to writing a good article. Go through this, fill it all in, take the time, because when you get featured on this platform, it will be reviewed by a human editor, but when you get featured, the amount of traffic you're going to get, not just today, but for years. You've already seen how long articles can exist on big sections of this platform. So really do put in the work to get maximum results. But listen, this is just one traffic source, and if you really want to grow a popular and profitable website, I am going to give you the mother of all traffic strategies for free. When you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic, grab that, won't cost you a penny. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.